What's up folks, here's BK42 with another helmet review. It's the S1 Retro Lifer. A helmet made for skateboarding, BMX and other action sports. I will use it with my e-bike. It does protect a lot more than the usual bike helmets, covering all the head, ears and cheeks. Inside the box there are some cool stickers and a user manual. I don't know who's reading that, but anyway, it's there. Outside the box there is all the information about the helmet, and it's very important to measure your head correctly, because the S1 helmets are all made at the same shell size, and the internal liners are different for each head size. This is good because after some time using the helmet, instead of buying a new one, all we need is to get a new set of replacement liners. The black mat is great, but gets dirty and greasy very quickly. There are holes at the ears place. A very good thing to let the external sounds come through. The buckle is simple and made of plastic, nothing special about it. The helmet is super light. I can wear it for a very long time. It doesn't get too hot as well. There are 11 vents and it's made from hard foam. S1 helmet says it's 5 times more protective than soft foam helmets. It looks and feels like a premium product and costs around 65 euros. It is available on Amazon.com and also on s1helmets.com. If you have any question, let me know in the comments below and don't forget to hit the like. Cheers!